You guys, good morning. I'm trying to save light, and so I'm not using any external light except sunlight because we do not have lights in my area and I need to do this work today. So yeah, let's do this. First of all, I want to take care of my hair. I was supposed to go and make my hair yesterday, but I changed my mind. Yeah, I did. So I want to see how I want to maneuver it because I want to create a makeup look. I'm excited about it, but today is Friday. My son closes around 2, which means that other schools close by 1:30, which also means that once it gets to 1 like this, everywhere will just be busy. I hope I can finish this work before that 1 o'clock that we are talking about. I don't know how to pack my hair right now. I don't know the style to pack that's going to bring out my face. I had a style in mind, but I feel like that style is going to require a lot for me. Like Bantu knots, you understand? Yeah. That was what was on my mind as at yesterday. That's what I concluded I would do. Do you guys know that I have rubber bands? I can't find them right now. If this is going to stress me, I'll just do something simple. I don't have time for. See, okay. Oh, good. I've not started. I'm already contemplating my life. I feel like most of our problems in this Nigeria will be half solved if we're always having constant lights. Light gives somebody life, gives happiness, brings so much excitement, See, most of you that came out here and was saying that you did not see any brow on my on my brow. If I catch you, it's on sight like this. That's they're good. I'm done. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I don't have strength. I thought I was going to do a lot, but I don't think I have the mental strength for that. So let's work with this. This will work. This will suffice. Okay, let me bring out my makeup things. I just wanted to finish taking care of my hair so that we can now come and work. I'm seriously contemplating if I should put off this light. There's a light in front of me here. There's supposed to be one at the back, but I'm trying, like I said, to mine my battery. This one is directly connected to the power source, right? If I buy a ring, right, except I'm buying gold, and right now I don't have the money for gold. But if I'm buying normal earrings, I notice after a while it starts enjoying my neck. So I usually beat them before. But now I don't have the time to beat again. I'm gonna let this dry on my face. Let me mix my foundation on my foundation tray. I want to be as fast as possible. This is Huda Beauty, right? And then of course I'm mixing it with my Hagai and Esther. This is 11:17, which means that I have approximately 1 hour to ace this. Otherwise, I'm gonna be in trouble. Okay, now that what is on my face has dried off, let's go in with our Mehron. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, I'm always in a hurry. There's never been a time I've just said, oh, let me settle down and do my makeup. That would be something I would be able to do if I was creating at home, right? But I don't create at home. And if I say, okay, let me use the night to create at home, you cannot tell. There may not be light. So imagine packing all this thing home with the mindset that you want to create content at night where everybody's sleeping. So you have peace and rest of mind. Nobody's going to disturb you, and the NEPA does not bring light. What am I going to do? Do you understand? So it's a lot right now for me, but I guess I'll be fine. Whatever I'm creating at the studio, except I come 8 o'clock and then I start working immediately. That's the only time I'm not going to be on a crunch. But do I work immediately? Not really. So today I've done a lot. I'm trying to wet this beauty blender. So let's wear me a primer so that we'll know that my sweat is sealed and controlled. Because you see this, my forehead can just be a lot. That is that for that. Do you guys see? Yeah. I want it to set properly so that we can start working. And with that, we are good to go. Just like the guy, no limit. My feet never be pimped out. I go out in town, it's like the nigga from New Orleans. I'm the nigga from the set, though. Slap been hot since get-go. You guys notice I'm not putting anything under my eye because I only want to maintain only concealer there. And of course, blend into your neck. Okay? Again. Making money, niggas making money. They don't see. I'm still riding down some real niggas know what the real strictly. Real niggas know what the real hit. I just want to put this under my eye. This is Cetaphil. I want to put. Real niggas know what the real it all goes down. She down for me. So I want to go in again with another foundation because I feel like we need more coverage. Even though my face doesn't really need so much coverage. Let's go in with our concealer. This Ferrari has seen the worst days with me. And I'm not letting it go anytime soon. Should not bother. Okay? What am I doing? Let's do. It's too light, right? I know. I will dim it a little. I'm going in with a darker shade. Yeah. Okay. Blending is everything. Blending is everything. When it comes to makeup, blending is everything. We don't want to see patches on your face. So anything that's going to give you any patch, blend it out. And of course, don't forget to take it to your neck. Don't forget to take it to your neck, right? So that you'll not come and look like, your face not look like this. It will be so ridiculous. So now that we've gotten that, we've done this. This is a good one. This is a good base. Now I'm using my lipstick. Did you see that? Yeah. After this, I need to make sure that I edit most of these videos because they are officially piling on my memory card. And I don't. The past taking lights finally. I don't have a backup memory card. I know I need to get. I will get eventually. So yeah, that's that. We are done with skin work. My RCMI. This guy is nice. So nice. Let's use it to set. See, I added some here. I don't want to bake. I just want it to be there. Do you understand? Yeah, I just want it to be there. Okay. Again, while my face is getting dried, let's work on my brow. My hand very light. I can't even find my. I don't want to stand up. I know where my spoolie is. It's on this side, but I don't want to stand up. Okay. We're good. So yeah.
Swear to God I'm faded. My bitch educated. And the clients pay the payment. She don't.
One of my friends just passed, and he liked psyching me. I knew he was gonna psych me, so I just had to put off. My battery got exhausted from one thing to another. Abi? I know. So what I was saying is, this is the one I'm using for the outer corners, just to level up. This is called the transition color. Say it. The color that other colors are going to sink into. Do you understand? Yeah. So now that we have our transition color, I can now go in with my main eyeshadow. Okay. Wow. This skin work is eating. My God. Are you guys seeing it? So which color are we going with? I'm thinking of going with this. Me and red. I have come again. Abiagum. That was the color that just came to my mind, like, oh, you should work with it. You should work with it. I'm supposed to use a precision brush. Then I say precision eyeshadow brush. Something this flat. Yeah, like this. I'm supposed to use something like this, but you see me, I like doing things very fast. I have turned this thing not from blue to purple. Yeah, that's what happens when you mix blue and red. Yes, in the color wheel, sometimes some colors can be blue on ground. Okay, let me use this one now. Color that I didn't use. Was it this one? I don't know what color I picked, but let's now go with this for this side. How do you guys see it? You like it? I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I like. I don't know what to feel about this eyeshadow. What do you guys think? Now let me use a lighter shade of powder on this side. Like the nigga from New Orleans, I'm the nigga from the set though. Slapping hot since get go, making money, nigga. Okay. I think I've done that. That's good. Just making money, you don't see. I'm still riding down some radio. Real niggas know what the real strip me. Real niggas know what the real hit me. Real niggas know what the real lick me. It all goes down. She down for me. It all goes down. Feel with her. Feel with her. Yeah, yeah. Feel with her. Yeah, yeah. Feel with her. Yeah, yeah. Swear to God I'm faded. My bitch educated. And the clients pay the payment. She don't need a Gemini. My bitch strip like diamond show. Hit the strip like every week. Cause we burn out half a month. It's real life that got no limit. My beats that can be pimped out. I know out in town. It's like the nigga from New Orleans. I'm the nigga from the set though. Slapping the eyes and get go. Making money, niggas making money. Sinking to the call, I'm still riding down some video. Real niggas know what the real strip me. Real niggas know what the real hit me. Real niggas know what the real lick me. Spit all goes down. She down for me. Spit all goes down. Feel with her. Feel with her. Yeah, yeah. I make it feel with her. Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wear this, right? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Now for the other part of my face, I'm going to use this guy. Swear to God I'm faded. My bitch educated. And the clients pay the payment. She don't need a Gemini. My bitch strip like Clementine. Hit the strip. Should I make the blush loud? I want to make it loud. Like every week, just we burn her half a just that life that got no limit. My
wildest, I'm the nigga from the set though. Slapping hot since get-go. Making money, niggas making money. Hold up, still riding down some radio. Real niggas know what the real strip.
So we have these lashes. I'll be taking. Should I take something smaller? I think I should take this one. Okay, I've gone ahead to put the lash glue. So it's now time to place it. And this is where the problem is. I would have placed this thing directly on my lashes, because this one is a recipe for stain. Although I've allowed it to stay a little to get soggy, but it's still not a guarantee, to be very honest. I pray I don't smudge my eyeshadow because I would cry. Imagine me crying in front of you guys. Let's just save ourselves this stress, eh? Let me put it directly on my lashes. Like, let me put the bond directly on my natural lash because I can't shout.
Swear to God, I'm faded. My bitch educated.
Do you guys see what happened? When you put it directly on your lashes, it's just stay. Do you guys see that? Did you see the magic? Butter. Now let's do it on this other side. Hopefully. Yes.
The clients pay the payment. She don't need a job thing. My bitch up, I tell it.
I think this works better. And with that, we can now say we are good. I want to press it in. Yeah. Okay. My brush. Yeah, so let's arrange this hair properly.
Hit the strip like every week, cause we burn a half an hour. Just that like that guy, no limit. My beats never be pimped out. Hondo out in town, it's like the nigga from New Orleans. I'm the nigga from the set though. Slapping hot since get-go. Making money, niggas making money.
I'm coming. Let me quickly pack all these things and get properly dressed.